Happy Monday, guys. Hope you guys had a great weekend. So we've got another Sign Carvers of the day. This is another big one, probably about 30 of them, I think. And I'm getting caught up. So this will take us through like mid-March, something like that. So we've got one more Monday after this, which should bring us close to getting caught up, which I'm really excited about because I know you guys, I really feel bad when there's a long lag time in between when you guys send me your pictures and I get them posted on here. So hopefully by the last Monday of the month, we'll get these things all caught up. Anyway, so we'll be right back and I'll zoom down because again, I'm filming by myself. So I'll get down on the table and that angle I think works out pretty well. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. This first one is really interesting. If you look at it, you'll see a bunch of symbols on there, and there's a story behind this. So this is Mike O'Brien's first sign, and he says this is 3/4 inch glued up, 3/4 inch pine glued up to 18 by 20, and it's a spinner, so it mounts on the wall. Sorry about that. I was trying to read. I kind of got off there. So it's a spinner that mounts on the wall, and it's used with fire investigators to figure out how fires are started. And the way he put the spinner is it's just a little above center, so that almost always about 95% of the time it lands on a mouse with matches. It's kind of an inside joke, but I just thought it was really, really clever. Terrific job, Mike. I love it. It's really, really cool. I bet the guys love it. Next one, Joyce Van Pelt. My gosh, I can't even talk today. So this is Joyce's first sign, and she was really excited because she was offered 20 bucks for this sign. So she was very excited about that. I talked to Joyce not that long ago on the phone, and she's just a delight. Just a super cool lady. I think she's elderly. She's in her 70s or 80s and learning to carve signs. Absolutely love it. Great job, Joyce. James Jackson. This one's really cool. So I've got to make sure that, I think my camera, I got to make sure that I'm in frame here. So this is for the girls softball team, and he got 3 more orders for these just walking down the hall with this sign in his hand. Congratulations, James. I can see why people love it. Great job. Hank Lankford. Let me make sure. So this is one of his first signs, and this was actually requested by his sister. Did a great job. I love the torch stuff on there. Terrific job for one of his first signs. Amazing. Scott Oldroyd. And this one is really cool. And that's really a cool niche, you know, doing the portraits like that. I just think that's really, really cool. And he is from, where is he from? Yorkshire, England. Beautiful job. Great job, Scott. Paul Hughes. This one's really cool. Again, very, you know, the torch thing is very, very popular. So these kinds of signs in a mountain area. And I love the way he kind of just put the edge of a tree over here. I think that really is a neat idea, showing the kind of the silhouette of the edge of a tree there. Great idea. Good job, Paul. And this is Per Johansson. There it is right there. And it's his first sign. So check that out. That's really cool. I'm sure that means something. I don't know exactly what, but interesting elephant in the background. I guess that's an elephant. I'm not sure. Anyway, great job. And this is from Per and Deb, a husband and wife. All right, so now I've got to turn these around. Bert Graham. Now this one, I apologize for the streaks in there. That's not in the sign. I think my printer was running out of ink when I printed this one out. And these actually are brands that he wanted me to block those out. Anyway, great job, Bert. Looks terrific. I bet they love it. Terrific. Dave Alario, 24 by 22. Now there's a little story behind this one too. This is for a local charity that provides scholarships in memory of students that have passed away. So I'm sorry if I'm out of frame. I think I've got my camera down a little bit too low. But anyway, terrific job, Dave. I love it. Great job. A lot of background there. George. I'm all over the place here. So I don't know if that's George or Jorge, but terrific cabin sign. Really, really like that. Nice design. Love the trees. Love the color and the little designs on the side. Terrific job. Love it. Those would be really popular in a cabin area. Mike Hoffman, very first. So this one is different. It says coffee. And like for coffee cups, I guess, but it might be coat hooks. I'm not sure. Anyway, nice tile design. I really like that. Great job, Mike. Don Borden, my buddy over from the high desert. Idlewild is actually a town that is near a big lake. It's kind of a resort lake town, and somebody ordered this from him. He's not in Idlewild. Don isn't, but he's not that far away. Anyway, great job, Don. Beautiful work. Letitia Kennedy. This one's kind of cool. My other shoes are glass slippers. I love it. Great job, Letitia. I like the red shoes there. Very cool. Very nice. Now this one's interesting. John McCroskey. This, you're not reading that wrong. This is 6 foot by 8 foot. That thing is humongous. That is really big. I'm not sure exactly, what the story is behind there, but man, that's a big sign. So terrific job, John. I bet the customers really love it. That is a lot of work. Terrific job. Wanda Beecher. This is one that she tells me that she sells lots of these on Facebook. The same design basically, but just puts different logos at the top. But basically the same design. Really like it. Evidently she's selling a lot of them on Facebook. Great job. Good job, Wanda. Jason Cooper. This one's cool, especially if you're a Tennessee fan. I've got a good friend from Tennessee that loves the Volunteers. Terrific job. I like that letter style too. Very nice. Good job, Jason. Brian Litton. This is actually a portrait of his truck. I'm not sure exactly what kind of truck that is. It kind of looks like a Toyota, but I apologize if I got that wrong. Anyway, great job, Brian. Looks cool. That's a really good niche to go after, is portraits of people's trucks or hot rods. Jody Clements. Terrific job on this one. And this is his first sign. My gosh. That is terrific. That's a lot of work. And that is really, really good for a first sign. Terrific job, Jody. This one is interesting. Nestor Martinez. This one, I got to tell you, Nestor, I'm a little disturbed. This one is really, I'm fascinated by it. It kind of reminds me of American Werewolf in London. Yeah, I just, it's a little disturbing, but I think it's really cool the way you did the orange background like that. It just reminds me of the slaughtered lamb sign that I did from American Werewolf in London. Anyway, really cool. Very, yeah, that's cool. I'm not sure I'd want to spend the night in the house that's got on the front of. Anyway, all right, so this one is Giles. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Curtis. Anyway, this one's really, really cool. I love the bulldog design. Gonzaga University. I've heard of it. Don't know where it is, but cool looking logo. Great job, Giles. Shane Northridge. Man, he always just never ceases to amaze me. Look at the colors in that. Great job, Shane. I love your stuff. I love the colors that you integrate in your signs. It's just so cool. Great job. Love it. Kevin Myers, very first sign. Not bad at all, Kevin, for your first sign. Looks good, man. Terrific. Terrific job. Not sure what kind of wood that is, but I love the driftwood rough ends there. Steve Hill. So let's see the story behind this. He donated this to, ooh, geez, I was a little high on that. I'm sorry. He donated these to breast cancer charity and raised over $500. How cool is that? Great job, Steve. Beautiful. Brent Foster, his second sign. Really cool. So Brent made this for a 13-year-old girl that had heart surgery. How cool is that? I bet he put a smile on her face. Very nice. Great job. And this is Mark Goleritz. I'm sorry, I'm probably butchering that, but this for his first sign, are you kidding me? That is incredible. I love the color, the design. I don't know if you guys can read those words, but man, that's a lot of carving, especially for a first sign. Beautiful design, very unique. I love it. Great job, Mark. This one is this one's tough. This is from, I think it's Michael, but it might be Mikkel Borg. This is the toughest sign that he'll ever carve. This is for his son that passed away 3 days before he carved this sign. I can't even imagine. I'm so sorry for your loss, my friend. He actually lives pretty close. He's down in Lake Havasu City, which is only about an hour away from our place. Anyway, very, very sad. Our hearts and thoughts and prayers are with you, my friend. Billy Burt. Billy Burt has his own YouTube channel, and this was done. I actually watched the video where he made this. If you want to see him making it, go over to his channel, The Messy Studio, and he has a whole video on how he made this. Really cool. Great job, Billy. Patrick Harnish. This one, the picture, I really apologize. The picture does not do it justice. This thing is 54 inches by 74 inches, 2.5 inches thick, and made for a motorcycle shop. And now he's selling his signs through that motorcycle shop. And it's got an epoxy resin finish on it. And he sent me some other pictures, but I know that the pictures just don't do it justice. Just a beautiful sign, Patrick. Great job, my friend. Mike Denny, third and fourth signs. Two totally different colors. Look at that. So I'm not sure what those stains are, but I really like them, Mike. Great job. Beautiful work. Excellent. And last but not least, Wes Bro, gosh, B-R-E-A-U-L-T, Bro. I just don't know how to pronounce that, but check out that sign, guys. This is one of his first. Incredible, beautiful work. Incredible stuff. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to come right back and end this thing out. Well, I think I'm just going to, let's see, is that right? That should be about right. Anyway, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm just blown away by some of this work. I hope you guys are really getting something out of this, because this kind of work, man, just fires me up. There's so many great ideas here. Thank you for everybody that sends in your pictures. If you guys have pictures of your signs that you want me to add to the SCOTD, remember, in fact, I'll say this is kind of off script. I'll say this, be sure and remember that I can only add one picture per person per month, because otherwise it just would be horrendous. I mean, I would never ever get caught up. So remember, if you sent me one, wait a month before you send me another one. That way and you could be in, I don't have any restrictions about other than that. You can send as many as you've got, but I can only pick one picture per month per person. So anyway, thanks again, guys, so much. Remember, the last video on Stevie's sign, built by Stevie, is coming up, and I've got a couple processes that you guys are really going to want to see. So it's coming up on Wednesday. So thanks again for watching, guys. Love you all. Thank you for bearing with me and being patient while Vicky is out of town. She's dealing with her mom over in California. So I appreciate it. Love you guys, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Have a great one. Bye-bye.